Hello everyone, so if you're here watching this video you might be interested in a Raspberry Pi Zero and doing a bit of telemetry with the PlayStation 5 and Gran Turismo 7. This is pretty much kind of a very basic element to a degree, however I'm going to evolve this. I want to try and make it a little bit more fun. So what you see here on the screen at the moment, that's being powered by my Raspberry Pi 5 over on my desk over there, is pretty much the telemetry data that's coming through from the Raspberry Pi, coming through from the PlayStation to the Raspberry Pi, and then we just kind of make it all nice and pretty. So as you can see, I've just started off a replay at the moment that gives an idea of where you can see the temperatures of the tyres increasing as the race goes on, and you can see here that it looks like I'm going on the brakes, dropping down to second. You've got all your speed, you've got your revs, you've got the gears. I've got my race position is on this one. No, it's not. But what I can do is, with modern technology, I can show you, it can give that information. So I've built this in a way that I'm just playing around with some of the tabs where I've got a minimal view. So I'm in position 8, which I know I was on, but I won't tell you what I finished. If you want to go to my other channel, Gab Warrior, you'll actually be able to find where I finished on this particular race. It was the Watkins circuit, if you want to know for reference. So first lap, we can come in. So I'm on lap 2 now, position 8. I think if I remember right, I'm going to go up position in a second. But we've also got, oh there we go, just literally typical. So I just got up a position anyway. So tyre temperatures, this is what's now feeding the OBS page. So down in the bottom left you'll see that we've got these temperatures, and it works quite well. I'm biased, but there's a lot more to do. There's a lot more data in the background that we can pull through with the Raspberry Pi, and so if this has kind of sparked your interest or want to know a little bit more of how I've built it, let me know in the comments. The code I'm using, I'm going to let you guess, because it's not potentially what you think. But anyway, usual thing, like, share, subscribe, comments, and get back to me as and when you can.